all, this is Jeanette Keynes from Jewelry Arts Inc. So I've been thinking, you may not realize this, but I receive a metric fuck ton of questions. People email me, people DM me, people leave comments, people text me. You cannot even imagine carrier pigeons arrive at the studio every day, people asking questions. And I really get it. You guys are out there and you're struggling on your own. And you're probably like saying something like, hey, I took the fucking class, I watched the fucking video, I read the fucking book, but I don't understand why it isn't working. Like, I think I'm doing everything I'm supposed to be doing, but what am I doing wrong? And it's super frustrating. Just so you know, I do have to prioritize the public-facing comments because more people can be helped by that information than it can like in a DM or an email. So many people are out there and you guys need your questions answered. And the truth is, for me, guess what? Solving problems is like my favorite thing to do. When I get to solve a problem, big, small, whatever, my brain releases the happy little chemicals. Like, that is my jam. I love digging through things and getting to the truth. My very favorite thing to do is take the confusion, fuckery, and calamity of jewelry making and distill it into facts. Facts that I can use again and again to solve problems. That's like just the best thing in the world for me to do. So then I thought, maybe there's a way to answer more people's questions and solve more problems and still have time to, I don't know, maybe occasionally sleep, drink tequila, you know, the important things in life. Maybe I could build a community membership where people could submit their questions every month. We'd do a big Zoom meeting and I would go through one by one and like, bam, 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 this is what went wrong. This is how you fix it. This is how you never let that happen to you again. It wouldn't be a class. It'd be more like an emergency room, you know? You show up there all fucked up and I patch you up and send you home with solutions. So with an online membership community with a monthly Zoom devoted to solving your worst fucking jewelry problem sounds good to you, please let me know in the comments. I really appreciate your feedback and your thoughts before I go too far down this particular rabbit hole. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.